In this episode, viewers learn to turn a cramped kitchen counter into a snack station with 3 containers and labels. Start by clearing the space, grouping snacks, and selecting stackable bins that fit under shelves for reach without crowding cookware. Then place a tiny Lazy Susan for spreads, a compact tray for utensils, and a labeled drawer for napkins. Finally, add a daily routine: wipe surfaces, rotate snacks weekly, and keep a small checklist visible. With these steps, anyone can reclaim counter space and enjoy a tidy snack setup in minutes.